Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Honda CRV headlight bulb. First, always prioritize safety by ensuring your vehicle's engine is completely off and cool to the touch. You'll need a few basic tools, typically a flathead screwdriver and your replacement headlight bulbs. Remember to wear protective gloves. This prevents oils from your skin from transferring to the new bulb's glass, which can significantly shorten its lifespan. Now, let's get to the bulb itself. Open your vehicle's hood and locate the back of the headlight assembly. Depending on your specific model, you might need to remove a plastic cover or even temporarily disconnect a battery terminal to gain clear access. Once you have access, gently twist the electrical connector counterclockwise to disconnect it from the bulb. This prepares the bulb for removal. With the connector off, it's time to remove the old bulb. You'll typically find a retaining clip or a twist lock mechanism holding it in place. Release this clip or twist the bulb housing counterclockwise, then carefully pull the old bulb straight out from its socket. Now, take your new bulb, holding it by its base, and insert it firmly into the socket. Avoid touching the glass part of the bulb at all costs. Almost done. Reconnect the electrical connector to the new bulb by twisting it clockwise until it's securely in place. Before you put everything back together, turn on your vehicle's headlights to confirm that the new bulb illuminates correctly. Once you've verified it's working, reassemble any covers or battery terminals you removed earlier. You've successfully changed your headlight bulb.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.